Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. We continue our discussion on the semiconductor processing or IC production. Here we will discuss on the last stage in the integrated circuit production, which are the metallization process and also the packaging process. So metallization process is combines various thin film deposition technologies with photolithography to form a fine pattern of the conductive material. So the conductive material formed in the IC is to provide the connection between chip to the external circuit, provide interconnecting conduction paths between device or chip on the chip, and also act as formed by certain components such as gates in the IC devices. So in this figure show the metallization on the chip. So here you can see the metal deposit in the layer of the chip. Here also, this is the metal copper layer. It's a very thin film. We can only see using the microscope. Okay, the material for metallization is usually is aluminum. Aluminum because aluminum is has a high electrical conductivity. Other material can use gold, polysilicon or gold or nitride. Okay, metallization process can be done using the three methods. So the common method is a electroplating method. This is a very conventional method to deposit the very thin film of metal on the surface of the IC. So the modern method is you can apply the CVD or chemical vapor deposition, or PVD, physical vapor deposition. Okay, and in the packaging process of IC, where the IC is protected by the ceramic or polymer material. The objective is to protect the chip from the damage and encapsulate inside the circuit. Material can be used such as plastic or ceramic. Can be used as a packaging for IC. For plastic, usually they use the thermosetting polymer. And the packaging process also include the lead, application of lead or assembly of lead to the integrated circuit to connect the circuit to the external circuit. The lead, there are many methods to to assemble the lead. Either you can use the dual inline package, square, pin grid. So this is show the dual line. Here is a dual line package, left and right, side by side. And here is a square, so all the side will be attached with the lead. Pin grid array is used for the more terminal output or input is required. Okay, this is the last stage on the integrated circuit production. Means that the include the process of metallization to connect electrical component inside the chip, and also assemble the lead to connect the circuit with the external unit, and also the packaging material to encapsulate the circuit or IC and protect the IC from the outside environment. Okay, and for testing, usually they use a robot to test the circuit, to touch and to test the circuit whether is it okay or not. Okay, I think this is the discussion on the IC production. So I hope you remember the process of IC production. So we go back to the slide on the general view of IC production or IC processing. Okay, here showing the general process in the production of IC. So consists of 3 stages. The first one is stage number 1 to produce the silicon wafer, and then the second stage is a layer by layer process to develop the circuit and develop the component, electronic component inside the IC. And then the last stage is the metal deposition, packaging, and testing the circuit. So thank you very much.